Gus, there he goes. What are you doing, you idiot? Gussie, he's supposed to be walking. Gussie's 9 months old and still a little puppy, aren't you, mate? Just turned around and here's Angus with one of Steph's shirts on his head. He's just gotten it off the clothes horse, the little wrap bag. He doesn't do that very often now. What are you doing, mate? Are you right there, are you? Hey?
At shipyards in Bremen and Hamburg, before being transported along the Weser River and delivered to Valentin to start the assembly process.
Dann hätte man sie dort, wo jetzt das Regenwasser drin steht, auf einer großen Drehscheibe ausgerichtet.
Generations, you know, we didn't know if everything was taken away, but yeah, it looks like yeah, we had.
Yes. I'm going to show you another document.
Oh, you dropped it.
Yes.
Gus is watching himself on TV. Who is it, Gussie? Is that you up there? So, who needs someone to play tug of war with you? You just got to pull Dad's sock while he's bloody lying there. You don't have to do anything. You're a funny boy, aren't you? So I just said, who needs to play tug of war with him? You just got to put a sock on you. Don't break Dad's leg. Now he's going to break your leg going that way. Careful, Angie. You're going to win? You're going to get it off him? Look at it. Check it out. Hey, you did it. Good dog. You won. And here's my beautiful boy doing what he loves to do every morning, play tug of war. He gets out of bed and I put him outside, runs around, does a little wee and has a little play, and then he comes in and he comes running straight up onto my bed. And he loves to have a little play. What's that, Angie? He's just come across a soldier crab. What is
Big ones.
Yeah. Oh.
Spiders.
Now he's seen some up here. What are they, mate? Hey? He's not going to sit still anymore. Oh, bloody spiders.
Really? Plastic.
Oh. Keeps getting too close for my comfort.